the origin of the CRM technology. And if you see this structure, this diagram, then you will see here the different kinds of diagram, different kind of shape are here. Let me elaborate these. These big balls, you can see the circle that have that shows basically the organization, and they have a different department like marketing, sales, service, finance, and warehouses. And here is the customer, and this is all the channel partners of the organization. So the challenge for the, what is the challenge here for the organization? Basically, the challenge for the organization here to communicate with the multiple channels, you can say here, to communicate with its channel partner and communicate with the customer. So we can say the challenge of multiple different channels of communication, an organization, its partner and its customer. So you will see here also technology is used here. What kind of technology is that is used for the communication technology, or globally we use here the global internet, fiber internet, whatever, because sometimes and mostly when the internet service provider companies deals with the organization as a partner, they don't say they just use this. They say that we want to be the partner with their business, and we will provide such kind of services, and you will have a very high bandwidth service, and you will see very fast internet data transportation from you to customer, and you will not, and we will provide also extra services, feedback and other thing after service provider. Our engineers and our other worker will also be available to facilitate you, to accommodate you, to solve your issues and complaints. So automatically the service provider organizations and the telecommunication sector also work as a partner with the organization. So here we can see that the customer, how can a customer communicate to the organization, or how can an organization communicate to the customer? So by telephone, if you make a customer, then if a customer have a problem, it can also work on the by telephone sector. Then you have a channel partner, it will be outsources. We can say, if you have a multinational company, so they also outsources their call centers to provide the service facilities. So the customer from the call center, and then you will see the call center, and by means of fax or by means of internet, you reach the organizations. And sometimes as a marketing department, if it want to promote a new product or services, so it will also contact directly through email to the customers and delivering and providing the different kinds of promotion of the product to your customers. Similarly, we have here different service provider, service organizations, because the department and the finance department, they also interlink with the customer by means of telephone. So here we are using the technology, telephone, emails, personal selling technology. If the salesperson are communicating with the customer, like you are achieving the customer, so you have a B2B communication, in personal communication sometimes, and sometimes you do the telemarketing or tele-sellings, personal meetings, introducing your product, try to convince the customers and close your sale. That and you use also some kind of technological gadgets, cell phones, smartphones, laptop, tablets, and other things, so that you can present your product in a very smart way, so that you can get acquisitions of the customer. Well, this is a little bit, we can say, introduction of your, the CRM technologies, and you will see here also when the channel partner also becomes a part of the organization. So here the channel partner also included in the organizations, and this is a customer zone, and what is between the customer and organizations, you will see this is all are the technologies that we use for making customer, for providing products, for doing communications using global internet communication system, like here faxing, and also telephone, emails, and transportation to provide destination, to provide goods at the destination of the customer. So this is basically the customer expectation from the organization. Consolidation of the channels into a single consistent dialogue, we can say here.